Hey guys, how you doing? Coach Keon here. I was sitting here thinking to myself, and I remember I had a conversation with a acquaintance of mine, and I was telling him that I'm not friends with everybody. I can't be everybody's friend. And he said, "Why is that?" I went on to explain that the reason why I can never be everybody's friend is because I'm the type of friend that want to see you win, that want to see you be the best version of yourself. And I'm the type of friend that wants a friend that want to see me to be my best version of myself. I want a friend that's going to keep me accountable, that's going to remind me that I'm great, that want to tell me that, hey, you got this, man. And when I feel like I'm doubting myself, remind me of who I am. And that's the type of friend that I am. So I put that type of energy out there for people because I want to see my friends elevate and go to the highest version of themselves in every way, in every capacity. And if anything that I could do through motivation, inspiration, education, opportunity, whatever it is, I'm going to do that to make sure that my friend elevate. And I want friends that do the same thing for me and show me that. So that's why one of the things I tell people that I'm not everybody's friend, because not everybody deserves that type of friendship. And the ones that are my friends are the people that do that for me. And that's what makes my friends really more like family. So I don't really have too many friends. I have like a few family, and that's all I ever need, because that's what makes my friendship so valuable. I am someone that wants to inspire you, educate you, and motivate you. And that's what I believe, that friendship should really be built up on the foundation of those three things. Inspire me, educate me, and motivate me. And one thing about loyalty, and I always say this about my friends, if my friends are not loyal to their spirituality, their mentality, their emotions, their physicality, and their finances, these are things that are very important in friendship. So friendship is really about something that's going to fulfill you and others and the people that are around you. I believe friendships should be very much positive. It should be way more positivity than any form of negativity, because one of the things I learned about certain friendships is that some friendships, there's misery. It's like misery that needs company. You don't want to be in a friendship where there's negativity. You want to be in a friendship, a form of friendship, where there's more positivity, there's more upliftment, there's more encouragement, there's a lot more positive things happening, where you guys feel embraced to be the best version of yourself. So choose friends that want to embrace you to become the best version of yourself. Choose friends that's going to tell you the truth. They're going to tell you the right. They're going to tell you the wrong. Choose friends that's going to keep you accountable and that's going to hold you to your words. Choose friends that love you enough to push you. Choose friends. So that's what it means to be friends with me.